Our top story, a diplomatic incident after Pakistan alleged that diplomat in Delhi was assaulted after an incident on the road. Zargam Raza said he was going home this evening when he was chased by a motorcyclist and abused, and when he objected, he was beaten and his driver as well by some people, and this happened near the Jawaharlal University campus. While Pakistan has lodged a protest with the MEA, Indian officials deny that anyone was chasing them and said that no one was injured in the incident.
मैडम आप उस समय बाइक पर थी?
बाइक पे मेरी ननंद बैठी थी पीछे और मेरा बेटा चला हुआ था बाइक। उसकी गाड़ी के आगे से निकल के ना बाइक वो लेके गया, पीछे तो वो ड्राइवर उतर के और वो मेरी ननंद जाके पकड़ के खींच लिया और उससे इतनी गाड़ी बकन लग गया और उसके चोट भी
क्यों करा ऐसा उसने?
पता ना, उसकी गाड़ी के आगे थे, उसने ड्रिंक कर रखी थी ना।
अच्छा,
वो तो पागला की तरह भूत सवार हो रहा था। उसका मालिक भी उसने पकड़ा था कि वो माफी मांगा था हमारे तक कि लड़ाई मत करो, झगड़ा इसकी गलती हैगी।
NDTV's Sonal Mehrotra now joins us. Sonal, that's one side of the story. From what are the police saying?
well, Sunetra, let's break down the sequence of events for you. At 7:26, police received a PCR call that a Pakistani diplomat's car, a Toyota, had actually had a minor accident with another two-wheeler. Now, we know in that car, the Pakistani diplomat along with his driver, who's also a Pakistani, were travelling, and there were two individuals, a person called Roshni and another man called Rakesh on the vehicle. Now, police at this time saying that there was a minor accident, did not result into any injury, did not even result into any damage to any of the vehicles. Now, post that, both of them, Roshni and the driver of the two-wheeler, are both sitting in the police station behind me. Police taking their version of the entire events. They're also getting the medical examination done. Now, on the other side, they say that the Pakistani diplomat's driver has also now been called in for questioning. His version will be taken on board, and based on that, an FIR will be registered, putting into the required the IPC norms into place. Now, police earlier said that they had registered the complaint only of negligence driving, but perhaps taking into account the gravity of the situation, realizing that a Pakistani diplomat was involved and it could be a high-profile case, they have withdrawn that statement, and they say now they're looking into it afresh again. So that's how the status stands currently. Still, police have registered a complaint, but under what under what section of the IPC have they actually done it? Who has been faltered? All that still very vague. Police now waiting for the version of the Pakistani diplomat's driver to really go forth with the investigation.
And that questioning is happening at the police station?
That's right. In the police station behind me, this is Vasant Vihar police station, falls into the jurisdiction of this area. Also, what we are hearing, Sunetra, at this time is that the Pakistani diplomats, see, what's really happened in this case was that nobody came up to the police to actually register an FIR against the other party, which is likely the case in most of the cases of any case of criminal which actually has to be registered with the police. So in this case, police has taken cognizance of the matter and registered the case. Now they'll wait for the version of the driver to come up, and then perhaps a clear picture will be resolved into this.
Okay, Sonal Mehrotra reporting from the capital, and Pakistan in fact registering a strong protest with the Ministry of External Affairs. NDTV's Nidhi Rastan joining us. Nidhi, both sides giving varying versions of what happened?
Well, that's right. Not surprisingly, there are two different versions to this. As far as what we're hearing from government authorities here is concerned, this appears to have been partly a road rage kind of an incident where the diplomat's car, the Indian authorities, they hit this two-wheeler which had a couple on it, a man and a woman. The woman fell off. They say that the diplomat then stayed put in his car, perhaps to call his mission, because he knew that there was trouble as far as this was concerned, and the crowd got very hostile around them, and started heckling, and basically things went a little out of hand after that. The Indian authorities say then the police basically intervened to prevent the crowd from becoming even more hostile, and have now registered a case. The Pakistani version is that they were being chased by a motorbike and that there was an altercation, and again, they've not alleged any assault by the police, but basically said that there was a crowd of people that assaulted the diplomat. Now, the Pakistani High Commission has lodged a protest with the Ministry of External Affairs. because they say that it is the responsibility of the Indian government to ensure the safety of their diplomats as per the Vienna Convention, and at the moment that's where the matter is.
Nidhi Rasan reporting from the capital.